Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to get a loan with Chase Bank. Firstly, sign into your Chase account via chase.com or the Chase mobile app. If eligible, a My Chase loan offer will appear on your dashboard. You may also receive an offer via email or online communication from Chase. Select My Chase loan from account menu, then choose the loan amount you need, minimum $500. Based on your loan amount, select a repayment term that fits your budget and review the interest rates, monthly payments, and total repayment cost. Confirm your loan details, then submit your request. The loan amount will be deposited into your bank account within 1 to 2 business days. Just note that only eligible Chase credit card holders can access My Chase loan, and loan repayments are added to your monthly credit card bill, and there are no additional applications or credit checks. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.